In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep Dropbox files online only. This is a fantastic feature if you're looking to save some space on your computer while still having easy access to your files via the cloud. Let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll need to navigate to your Dropbox account. Start by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the Dropbox homepage. Once there, you should see a range of options, but what we're interested in today is accessing your files. So go ahead and click on the Files section. This action will bring you to an overview of all the files and folders you currently have stored in your Dropbox. Next, take a look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll notice your profile, avatar or picture. This is a gateway to various settings and options for your account. Click on your profile image and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Within this menu you'll find a button labelled Settings. Clicking on Settings will lead you to a page where you can adjust various aspects of your Dropbox account's functionality and preferences. Now we're getting to the core part of this tutorial. On the Settings page, look for a section or tab that says Online Only Files. This is a feature that Dropbox offers to help you manage your storage space more efficiently. By enabling this feature, files and folders will be stored online in the cloud rather than being saved directly on your device. This means they won't take up precious storage space on your hard drive. To activate online only files, you'll see a toggle or a button click on it to turn this feature on. Once you've done that, Dropbox will change the status of your files to online only by default. This doesn't mean you lose access to your files. You can still open and edit them as you need to. The difference is that they'll only be downloaded temporarily to your device as you use them and won't permanently occupy space. Finally, to confirm your changes and make sure everything is set up as you want, you'll need to click on the Update button. This will save the settings you've just adjusted and apply the online only file status to your Dropbox account. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Dropbox files to be online only. This simple yet effective change can greatly help in managing your device's storage space more efficiently while ensuring your files are accessible whenever you need them. Remember, accessing your files with this setup will require an internet connection since they are stored online. This is a small trade-off for the convenience and space saving that the online only feature provides. To wrap up, let's recap the steps we've taken today. We began by accessing the Files section in Dropbox, navigated to account settings via the profile icon, located the Online Only Files option, activated it, and confirmed our changes. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards optimizing your storage management with Dropbox. Remember, if you ever need to make changes or prefer some files to be stored locally on your device, you can always adjust these settings or select specific files for local storage within Dropbox. And there we have it, a straightforward guide to keeping your Dropbox files online only. By utilizing this feature, you can streamline your file management, save space on your devices, and ensure your files are always just a few clicks away, no matter where you are. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Stay organized, and see you in the next video.